Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of any image. Free, quick and easy. It's basically using a tool called Pixelcut online. So it's completely free, by the way. Go to Google, type in Pixelcut. I am going to link this, put this link in the description below, but go to the first link, pixelcut.ai, and you might need to log in or sign up, but basically go down to once it actually loads for you. You're going to go to the remove BG, which is remove background. Click in that tool. And then from there, it's going to ask you to upload an image. So hopefully you have the image that you want to remove the background from available. I'm going to use this one right here. It's some flowers with more flowers in the background. Click that one, and you can see there's one flower sort of focused in the middle. I want to remove everything else. And this app, or this web-based app, just does it for free online, and you can go in here and download it as a PNG. So how could we actually use this? It's basically, I'm in Canva right now, and let's say I wanted to use that image. I would go in here, drag and drop. It's going to upload the PNG file, and here we go. You can make it bigger. Quality doesn't dip that much. There you go. You can see that we've now got just this flower alone, no background on whichever background that we want on Canva or any other image editing software. So thanks very much, guys. This has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.